Friends, just we completed that practice set of completing the square method examples. Okay, the next method is what? Using formula, we are going to solve that quadratic equation. Okay, so that formula we are going to form using this method only. So that formula we are going to form. Just look here. Okay, I'll take this the general form of our quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And now this quadratic equation I am going to solve by completing the square method. Just what we solved just now in this previous practice set, that is 2.3. Very similar procedure we are going to operate here also. See, what is the first condition? Here square term has no coefficient, means one coefficient. Here is a, so what is the procedure? Divide to both sides by a. Look here, divide to both sides by a. What will you get here? X square. What about here? B upon x. Is it correct? Look here, plus c upon a equal to 0, like this one. Okay, now the third term, which is not a perfect square, so we are going to find a new third term. Okay, new third term, that is half into, what is coefficient of x here? That is b upon a bracket square. Just procedure follow only. This is very important. What will you get here? B upon 2a bracket square. Yes, so b square upon 4a square. Yes, don't make any kind of mistake here. Just very concentration we have to solve it. Okay, look here. I'll add that one. X square plus b upon a, okay, x, and that one minus, plus b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square, as usual procedure. One time adding, subtracting. Now this third term keep as it is. Now what about the first three terms? Is a perfect square of x, middle sign, and root of third one, which is b upon 2a bracket square. Yes, you want to check? You can. It is in the form of a plus b bracket square. We know a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we will get the same thing. Try to check. I'll take that minus sign common. Here what will is b square upon 4a square. Change the sign. Minus c upon a is equal to 0. What is the next procedure? In the bracket, denominator should be same. Yes, here is that same? No, but we can make same. See here, 4a square, here only a is there. What is just remains? What we need? Here 4a we need. So, 4a we have to multiply to both numerator and denominator. See, what we get here? X plus b upon 2a bracket square. Here, 4a square is already there. Now I'll make here 4a into a, 4a into c. Understand? I'll just numerator and denominator will multiply by 4a. Now the denominator becomes same. Just write once only. Look friends, only we need concentration. So I'll write just once only. Yes, here is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So I'll take this to that side. What will you get here? X plus b upon 2a bracket square. This minus sign goes that side. It is plus. Okay. What will you get here? It is b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Look. Okay. Now the next process is what? Taking square root to both sides. What will we get? X plus b upon 2a. Here plus or minus. Numerator is not a perfect square. So write in square root sign. That is under root b square minus 4ac upon. What about 4a square? Which is only 2a. Why? Because it's a perfect square of 2a. Okay. Now because of it is irrational term, I'll take to that side. So x equal to minus b upon 2a plus b upon 2a goes to minus b upon 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If you observe here, denominator is same. Right? Just once only, minus b plus or minus under root b b square minus 4ac. Now the procedure is what? Right? Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay? Or x equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So friends, this is the formula to find solutions of quadratic equation by formula method. We just solved and prepared that formula. Remember, this is the formula which invented by the great mathematician of India, who is Mr. Sridharacharya. So this formula is called as Sridharacharya formula. Remember students, this is not in your textbook, but in the previous syllabus textbook, this is mentioned in textbook. So friends, remember, this is called as Sridharacharya's formula. Now, here the first root we can say as a alpha, and second root we can say as a beta. So in the next part we are going to use this one. This is called as formula. So we are going to solve the examples of quadratic equation by this formula method also. Sridharacharya's formula. That one we already know. That is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. Okay? When the equation should be in standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Whenever the equation which is in this form, that is standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then that formula solution we can solve by using that formula also. Okay friends? Now before that one, any given equation we can compare with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we can write that values of a, b, c. What these three are? They are coefficient, that real numbers. Okay, here in the practice set 2.4 also the first question is what? Here these are the questions. We are going to compare these all equations with the standard form and write the values of a, b, c. Okay friends, take the first one. See here. First of all, whether it is in the neat form? Yes. This is in neat form. Okay, straight away I will compare with the standard form. I will write first. The above equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Yes. Now just compare. Here a for 1. B for minus 7. C here 5. Finish. Like this, just compare and write the values of A, B and C. Here also, this is not in that form. I will make it in the form of. But the variable is here m. Not always x. Sometimes m, sometimes y also, sometimes p also be there. Okay. Now see here, I'll write in neat form. 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Now it is in neat form. Yes? So I'll write here the above equation is in the form of which one? am square. Don't write x here. Plus bm plus c equal to 0. So by comparing, what will we get here? A equal to 2. B equal to minus 5 and C equal to 5. Understand? Look, very simple all these are. Here also. Again it is also not in neat form. I'll write here y square minus 7y. But no constant, I'll write it plus 0 is equal to 0. Yes? Now it is in the standard form. So write here the above equation is in the form of, yes, ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. So by comparing, what will we get here? A equal to 1, B equal to minus 7 and C equal to what? 0. Like this we can solve the examples. Understand friends? See friends here. In this question number 2, we are going to solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Yes, that formula method, just we know here that Sridharacharya's formula. Okay, how to solve by using formula method? Give concentration. Just one example if you understand now, every example you can solve very easily. So just give first your concentration we need here. Okay, see here the first sum, x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. This equation we are going to solve by using formula method. First of all, that should be in neat form, standard form. Yes or no? Yes it is. I'll write here. The above equation is in the form of which one? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we need values of a, b and c. So a for 1 year, understand? B, that is 6 years, c 5. Okay, after getting all the values of a, b, c, we are going to find b square minus 4ac. In that formula, that under root term, that is b square minus 4ac. First of all, we have to find that term, value of that term. So b square minus 4ac. In this one, we are going to put the values here. B, that is 6 square, minus 4 into a for 1, c for 5. So 6 square, 36, minus 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. What is here? 16. This is b square minus 4ac. Okay friends? In the further part, we are going to suppose this b square minus 4ac is a delta also. But that one afterwards. After this exercise, I will tell you. That delta is a Greek letter. Okay? But now in this exercise, we will use this b square minus 4ac only. Okay? By that formula now, variable is here x. If variable is different, we can write that variable. Okay? Now x is variable. So minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Remember friends, this 2a is for whole, not only for this term. Remember, that is very important. Now I will put the value. What is b for? 6. But already minus is there, minus 6. Plus or minus. What is this? This is just we find 16 right here. So 2, a for, here it is 1. Now, we cannot, see, I'll write first, okay, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, like this we cannot make, okay, because this is the 2 which is for both, that is in numerator is binomial, okay, that 2 is for 6 as well as this root 16 also. So, don't make this 2 to this 6 only cancellation, okay, keep as it is, minus 6 plus or minus, what is this? Root of 16 which is 4 upon 2, first numerator. That should be what? Minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or x equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Because plus or minus, there are two options are there. So what will get here? X equal to minus 2 by 2, which is x equal to minus 1. Here x equal to minus 10 by 2, so x equal to minus 5. This is the solution. X equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 5. In the further part, we are going to take this minus 1 as alpha, this minus 5 as a beta. There are two roots, alpha and beta, the roots here. But here, in this particular part, only we have to solve by formula method. This is the procedure here. Understand friends? No need to take any kind of tension. Just use correct formula, correct values, try to simplify, get the correct answer. That's it. See in the next example. See here, x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Again by formula method. Now tell me whether it is in neat form? Yes. So right here, the above equation is in the form of, yes, tell me, that is standard form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now just compare a for 1, b for minus 3, C for minus 2. If there is a plus sign, so no need to write that plus, but minus sign, without forgetting, write that minus sign. Like this here, minus 3 here, okay, and minus 2 here. Okay friends, now, after getting A, B, C, find the value of B square minus 4AC, B square, which is minus 3 square, minus 4 into A for 1, and C for minus 2. Whenever minus sign is there, no, that one write always in bracket. Okay, the square of minus is obviously plus, 3 square, it is 9. Look here, minus minus, it is plus, product of 2 times minus, it is plus only. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What is here? This is 17. Again, here also variable is what? X. So formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just put the values only here. What about b? Minus 3. Already minus, but write minus 3 like this only. Okay. Now plus or minus. What about that denominator? In square root sign, that is b square minus 4ac. Already we solved. We find that it is 17 right here upon 2a. A for again 1 here. So minus minus plus 3 plus or minus under root 17 upon 2. It is not divisible. Keep as it is. And 17 also. We cannot write that root of that one. We can split 17 also because it is prime number. So that's the answer, right? Plus and after that minus. Understand friends? This is the procedure. So look here, whenever there is a prime number, that one at that time no need to write that any split down. Like suppose here 12 is there, under root 12. So that 12 you can write as 4 into 3. That take 4 to outside, that one comes 2 root 3, like this one. We will take that third sum. Again it is in need form, but variable is what? M is there. Is it in need form? Look here. First always give concentration. Okay, right now. The above equation is in the form of am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Tell me a for, which is 3 here, not always 1. So give concentration. Sometimes, look here. In previous part, we studied that completing the square method. In that part, we have to divide by these 3 to both sides. But now in this particular method, keep as it is. Remember friends, that is the difference. Okay? Now, A for 3, B for here 2, and C for minus 7. Okay? Now, the next part is what? To find B square minus 4AC. So b square minus 4ac, b for, that is 2 square, minus 4 into a for 3 and c for minus 7, right in bracket. 2 square, 4, minus minus plus, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Okay, see here, this is how much? 88. Now, by formula, but right, variable is what? M is here. Okay, write the same formula. Yes, don't make mistake here. Okay friends, look here. I'll put the values. What is B here? 2. Minus is already there. And here in root it is 88. Now it is very important. A for 3 is here. Look here, don't make cancellation. Again I am telling you. Okay. Now 88 is what? Don't keep as it is. 88, we can split. What is that? Yes. It is very, very important. So one part must be, it is a perfect square. We'll make like 22 fours. Is it correct? Because 22 fours. 4 is what? Perfect square. We can write 2 also. But 22, 2 into 11, we cannot write. So that 22, keep in that radical sign. So how? Look here. Minus 2 plus or minus, this is nothing but 22 fours. And here it is 6. Look friends, it is very important. Now I'll take 4 outside. Minus 2 plus or minus 4 outside means root of 4 is what? 2 only. So write 2 in outside of that radical sign and keep this 22 in the same radical sign. Because we cannot take root of that 22. It is 6. Now again I am telling this 2 we cannot cancel. When we can get cancel, I'll take the 2 common from numerator because numerator has binomial. I'll take 2 common. What remains? Minus. We'll take whole 2 common. Nothing is there. Always 1 should be there. Plus or minus root 22 upon 6. Understand? Now it is cancelable. Okay? So 2 ones are 2 threes are. What remains? Minus 1 plus or minus under root 22 upon 3. This is what? Yeah. Right? In the form of 1 time plus 1 time minus, which is minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3, or m is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. Like this, we can solve the example. Understand, friends? Look here. Okay? Okay? Now we'll take the next sum, which is fourth one, 5m squared minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. Again, it is in need form. The above equation is in the form of am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Compare a for 5, b for minus 4 and c for minus 2. Now we'll find the value of b square minus 4ac. What is that b? Minus 4 square minus 4 into a for 5 and c for minus 2. Square of minus 4, which is plus 16. Minus minus plus. 4 5s are 20. 22s are 40. How much? 56. Just keep as it is. Now, what is the variable? M. So, I'll write M is equal to formula. Yes, friends? Just give here consideration. What about B here? Which is minus 4. Already minus. That is minus minus. So, under root 56 upon 2a for 5. So, yeah, plus 4 plus or minus. What about 56? How can you split the 56? Yes? How can I write? 14 4s are. Is it correct? Okay. So, that 4 comes afterwards outside. Here denominator 10. See here. That 2 comes outside. Keep 14 as it is. Okay, now we can take 2 common from numerator. Is it correct? So look here. 2 2s are plus or minus, only root 14 remains upon 10. Now cancellation. 2 1s are 2 5s are. What remains? 2 plus or minus 14 under root 14 upon 5. This is m. Therefore, write 1 time plus minus. So m is equal to 2 plus under root 14 upon 5, or m is equal to 2 minus under root 14 upon 5. This is the solution. Okay, friends? See here in the fifth sum. Y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Friends, always remove denominator first. That means what? Here is the 3, no? So multiply it to both sides by 3. Okay, but if this example comes by completing the square method, then you have to keep this one as it is. Because we need what? Square term as one coefficient in completing the square method. Now, no need. Must be one only coefficient of square term. That one, no need in this formula method. Okay, so these 3 we don't need here. So multiply to both sides by 3 here. What will we get? 3y square. Here 3 getting cancelled, only y. Multiply by 3 here, this 6. So take that 6 to this side, 3y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now it is in need form. Okay, so above equation is in the form of, yes, that is a y square. Variable is y plus by plus c equal to 0. Now compare. A for it is 3, b for 1, nothing is there, so 1. So c for minus 6. Now what is the next step? Find b square minus 4ac. We find b square minus 4ac. What about b? It is 1. 1 square minus 4 into. A for 3 is here. C for minus 6. 1 square 1 minus minus plus 4 3s are 12. 12 6s are 12 6s are 72. Here it is what? 73. Okay. Now, here the variable is y. Right now y is equal to formula minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We'll put the values here. Minus b for here 1 plus or minus under root 73 upon 2a. A for here 3 is here. Finish. Minus 1 plus or minus. Look here. 73. It is a perfect prime number. We cannot make any splitting here. Keep as it is. Upon 2 3s are 6. This is y. Therefore, just write 1 time plus 1 time minus. So, y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 by 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 by 6. See here, in the last sum. Again, here also we have to compare with the standard form and write the values of a, b, c, put here in the formula, and we can get that roots here. Okay friends, see here, the above equation is in the form of, it is already in neat form, so ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a for, it is 5, okay, and b for 13, c for 8. Find b square minus 4ac, 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. Is it correct? Square of 13, it is 169. 4 5s are 20. 28s are 160. It is what? 9. Okay, look here. It is variable is what? X. So write x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put values. What is b? B is here 13. Already minus. So 13 under root 9. Look friends. Here, whenever the perfect square term is there now, at that time, this radical sign removes. Okay, this is remember. Here, that removes because 9 has square root is what? 3. 2. A for here 5. So minus 13 plus or minus here it is 3 upon 10. So write 1 time plus upon 10 or 1 time minus. Okay friends, see here. Here it is minus 10 upon 10. So x equal to minus 1. Here minus 16 upon 10. You may write here in that fraction 1.6, or fraction means 2 5s are 2 8s are means 8 upon 5. Okay, here these are the roots of this particular quadratic equation. Okay friends, see friends, this is the third question. This is actually activity example. Here what they given to us, this is the one equation. We are going to compare this equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. After comparing, we have to write the values of a, b, c. After getting values of a, b, c, put the values in b square minus 4ac and find the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, write the formula of Sridharacharya, and after substituting that values of a, b, c and that b square minus 4ac in that formula, we can find the roots of this equation. Like this, step by step we have to solve. This is one activity based example. Okay friends, already we solved all example by this method only, but here they mentioned here solve by this way. Okay friends, first we are going to compare this one with standard form. Okay, the above equation is in the form of, yes, variable is x here, so ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now compare a for 1, b for, again sorry, it is what? 2 root 3 and c for 3. Now after getting values of a, b, c, we are going to find the value of b square minus 4ac. What is b? It is 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a for 1 and c for 3. Now square of 2 is what? 4. Square of root 3 it is 3 only. Remember, minus 4 3s are 12. Yes? Now look here also 4 3s are 12. Minus 12, it is 0 only. Okay, so there are some tricks here. Whenever this b square minus 4ac is 0, so this particular equation has one and only one root. But that one discussion after this exercise. Okay, here we have to solve only. Okay, now after getting value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we'll write that formula. What is the formula? In the value of variable x here. So minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, in which we have to substitute the values of abc as well as b square minus 4ac. Now, what about b here? B is what? 2 root 3 plus or minus. This is only 0 upon 2a, a for 1 here. Now, minus 2 root 3 plus or minus, that is 0. 0 means no need to write that one. Here it is upon 2. Now, because of the numerator is monomial, we can cancel this one. Here it is minus root 3. Here the root is just once only. It is equal roots. So unique solution we can say. So here x equal to minus root 3 here. Okay friends? Friends, in this way we completed practice set 2.4. Okay? Now, what is your work? You should solve all these examples from this practice set by using completing the square method. If possible, some example by factorization also. And examples from 2.3, 2.2 examples by this formula method. Try to solve. This is for your practice. If possible, some examples from problem set also try to solve. Okay friends, this is very important. The practice is only the very important role. Otherwise, this quadratic equation is very important here and very simple also. Just practice is only the necessary thing. Okay friends?